Hello, good morning to all. This is Sahil and I am presenting you Pratitih, your daily dose of GK, defense related questions and current affairs all in one session. So, like every day, we will discuss some questions from all these topics which are important if you are preparing for any defense examination or any banking or civil service examination also. So, let's start the session. We will start from the current affairs. Here we go. First question: Allen Aspect, John F. Cluster, and Anton Jellinger, they have jointly won the Nobel Prize in which field? Alan Aspect, John F. Cluster and Anton Jellinger एंकु ए तीन जन को जॉइंटली को फील्ड रे नोबेल प्राइज मिले. करेक्ट आंसर फिजिक्स. So Alan Aspect, John F. Cluster and Anton Jellinger, they have jointly won the Nobel Prize in Physics. They have won it for the experiments with entangled photons, establishing the violent of Bell inequalities and pioneering quantum information science. 2021 रे the award जाइथिला फिजिक्स रो नोबेल प्राइज जाइथिला जॉर्जियो पेरिसी, क्लॉज हाजलमैन and Shukuro Manabeko. Moving to the next question. Recently आमे जानिचे national games चलीचे 36th national games. अब ये national games regarding हमको तीनटा statements दिया जाइए. We have to say which of these above statements are correct or wrong. At the 36th National Games, services consolidated top position with the 68 medals including services. Services is जो गोटे पार्टिसिपेंट आम जमी डिफरेंट स्टेट्स पार्टिसिपेट कर सर्विसेस गोटे पार्टिसिपेंट हिसाब से अच्छी नेशनल गेम्स रे सर्विसेस रे सेक्टर रो कंसोलिडेटेड होती टॉप पोजीशन विथ 68 मेडल्स. सर्विसेस टॉप रे अच्छी बोली कह जाउची. 32टा गोल्ड, 18टा सिल्वर, 18टा ब्रोंज, फॉलोड बाय हरियाणा जो कि 58 medals including 23 gold, 20 silver and 15 bronze. This is the first statement. Maharashtra is in third place with 60 medals which include 14 gold medals, 15 silver and 31 bronze. And the third statement is Ram Babu जी की यूपी रा से मेंस 35 किलोमीटर रेस वॉक रे गोल्ड मेडल जीति विथ अ टाइम ऑफ 2 hours 36 minutes 34 seconds. Which of these above statements are correct regarding the national games? So currently the national games are going on at the 36th we can say national games जो थे कि सर्विसेस टॉप पोजीशन रे अच्छी जो जार 68 medals अच्छी including 32 golds, 18 silvers, 18 bronze, followed by Haryana with 58 gold medals including 23 gold, 20 silver and 15 bronze. Okay, so first statement is correct. Second statement, Maharashtra is in third place with 60 medals which include 14 gold medals, 15 silver, 31 bronze. This was the second statement. This is correct. Ram Babu जे की यूपी रा से गोल्ड मेडल जीति 35 किलोमीटर रेस वॉक रे with a time of 2 hours 36 minutes and 34 seconds. So this is also correct. So all the three statements given are correct. Moving to the next okay, let's know some of the facts, other facts about these national games. So national games जोटा कि जार गोटे इवेंट अच्छी वुमेन्स 35 किलोमीटर रेस वॉक रे जोटा एटा पूर्व आम जोटा देखिले राम बाबू जी थिले से मेन्स 35 किलोमीटर रेस वॉक रे जीति थिले एंड वुमेन्स 35 किलोमीटर रेस वॉक रे उत्तराखंड टॉप पोजीशन नहीं. आर्चरी रे राजस्थान डिफीटेड नागालैंड विथ अ स्कोर ऑफ 3-1 to win the bronze medal. On the other hand, Gujarat bagged the bronze by defeating Jharkhand with a score of 5-3 in the women's team event. Maharashtra won the women's Kho-Kho gold by 2 points over Odisha. The National Games 2022 is currently being held across 6 cities in Gujarat and is to be concluded on the 12th of October. The 12th of October end of. But recently, services is on the top with 68 medals, Haryana second spot 58 medals, and Maharashtra on third spot with 60 medals. Next time this is in the recent news we have seen that India's merchandise export has grown over some percentage to 229 billion US dollars. This has grown to 229 billion US dollars merchandise export India. Earlier from the April to September 2022 in comparison to the same period in 2021. April to September 2022 जो आमे देखिबा ग्रोथ सेटा 2021 ठारू केते परसेंट अधिक रही. How much percent it has grown over to 229 billion US dollars merchandise export in India. So this is a huge number. Merchandise export for India, it is a huge number. Some of the countries GDPs are also less than this amount, that is 229 billion US dollars, and India has achieved the export of 229 billion US dollars of merchandise export. So let's see. India's merchandise export has grown over 15% to 229 billion US dollars from the April to September 2022 in comparison to the same period in 2021. The Commerce and Industry Ministry informed that the country has achieved the merchandise export over 32 billion US dollars in September 2022 with a decrease of 3.52%. The export of non-petroleum and non-gems and jewelry was over 158 billion US dollars. Moving to the next question, आमे जानी चाहिए जिस 5th September को आमे टीचर्स डे सेलिब्रेट करूँ इंडिया रे नेशनल टीचर्स डे आमे सेलिब्रेट करूँ आमे टीचर जोटा कि सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन करो जन्म दिवस थाए सेठी आमे टीचर्स डे को सेलिब्रेट करूँ इंडिया रे. बट वर्ल्ड टीचर्स डे जोटा को इंटरनेशनल टीचर्स डे भी कहा जाए ताकू केबे सेलिब्रेट करा जाए ना 5th October रे 5 अक्टोबर रे प्रति वर्ष एटा को सेलिब्रेट करा जाए. सो ए वर्ष 2022 रो टीचर्स डे वर्ल्ड टीचर्स डे और इंटरनेशनल टीचर्स डे रो थीम कोन थिला. सो करेक्ट आंसर is the transformation of education begins with teachers. This is the theme of 2022. एटा को 5th October रे प्रति वर्ष सेलिब्रेट करा जाए across the world. And this is a day to celebrate, thank and honor the teachers for their contribution to their students. October 5 was proclaimed World Teachers Day by UNESCO in 1994. प्रथम थर पे 1994 मसीहा एटा को proclaim करा जाइଥିଲା. And Teachers Day in India is celebrated on 5th of September every year. This is the fact. Moving to the next question, 6th edition of the India Mobile Congress. India Mobile Congress concluded जो इंडिया मोबाइल कांग्रेस 6th एडिशन कंक्लूड होइची 4th October 2022 रे 6th एडिशन ऑफ इंडिया मोबाइल कांग्रेस. सो October 4th October 2022 रे कंक्लूड होइची को जगह रे. सो दिस इज अ 4-day long event. This is the 6th edition. This time it was the 6th edition and so many important events were there in this year's India Mobile Congress जोटा कि 4th October रे conclude हला न्यू दिल्ली ठारे. This is the answer, न्यू दिल्ली. So, some of the highlights of this IMC 2022 events are: first, the 5G services were launched by Prime Minister Modi. 5G recently आम जानी 5G spectrum allocation हेतिला, and officially it has been launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the Indian Mobile Congress. Indian Mobile Congress 2022 hosted 362 speakers. It hosted 362 speakers, 13,500 participants in 80 sessions, and over 1.07 lakh visitors. It started on the 1st of October and concluded on the 4th of October 2022. It was organized at the Pragati Maidan in New Delhi. New Delhi रे Pragati Maidan रे एटाकू organize कराइथिला, and India Mobile Congress is the largest digital technology forum in Asia. India Mobile Congress Asia रा largest digital technology forum. Moving to the next question. This is an important one. That World Animal Day celebrate करा जाए 4th of October रे. To raise awareness about improving the welfare standards of animals across the globe. This day was first celebrated in which year? को वर्ष एटा को प्रथम थर पाई सेलिब्रेट कराइथला वर्ल्ड एनिमल डे. So this was first celebrated in 1925. Yeah, correct answer is 1925 in Germany's Berlin. Berlin ठारे एटा को सेलिब्रेट कराइथला by Henrik Zimmermann. एटा कहीं की सेलिब्रेट करा जाए ना, in the honor of the feast of Francis of Assisi. This is a person who is regarded as the religious person in the Catholic religion, who was regarded as the patron of saint of animals. Christianity रे एटा तांको patron saint of animals भाବରେ regard करा जाए. Religious person तांको मेमोरी रे एई डे को सेलिब्रेट करा जाए 4th of October रे World Animal Day. Next, again a question regarding Nobel Prize. Recently Nobel Prize distribute होतला. So Nobel Prize आमे जानिले physics रे, एबे देखिबा chemistry रे. 2022 रो Nobel Prize chemistry रे jointly award करा जाए काहा को ना कैरोलिन बटोजी and Morton Meldal and Barry Sarples को. Caroline Batozzi, Morton Meldal and Barry Sarples for their work on snipping molecules. Snipping molecules उपरे तांकर कामा पाई तांको chemistry रे Nobel Prize मिली. Who among these has also previously won the Nobel Prize in chemistry in 2001? Among these three person तांको मध्यरु आउ किए 2001 रे केमिस्ट्री पे नोबेल प्राइज जीती सारी चंदी ऑलरेडी. सो करेक्ट आंसर so before knowing the answer, let's see some of the facts about Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize आमे देखिबा कि Nobel Prize टा कौन and कहीं की दिया जाए. Let's see some of the facts. So Nobel Prize is a prestigious prize awarded separately in 6 different fields to those who during the preceding year have conferred the greatest benefit to humankind. The prize was awarded in the fields of physics, chemistry, physiology or medicine, literature and peace. These are the 6 fields. Sorry, these are 5 fields. And later in 1968, what are these 5 fields? Physics, chemistry, physiology or medicine, literature and peace. These are the 5 fields originally on which the prize was given. But later in 1968, a sixth prize was added in the fields of economic science. ओके सो नोबेल प्राइज विषय में देखुले नोबेल प्राइज इज ए प्रेस्टिजियस प्राइज जोटा कि 6टा डिफरेंट फील्ड रे दिया जाउछि वर्तमान टू दोज ड्यूरिंग दी preceding years have conferred the greatest benefit to the humankind. Originally a prize टा physics, chemistry, physiology और medicine, literature और peace रे दिया जाउथला, but 1968 रे later गोटे सिक्स्थ प्राइज इंट्रोड्यूस करा गला जोटा कि इकोनॉमिक साइंस रे दिया गला. नेक्स्ट दी प्राइज इज दी ऑफिशियल एटा को ऑफिशियली नोबेल प्राइज कहा जायनि और ऑफिशियल ना होची सेवरिजेस रिक्सबैंक प्राइज इन इकोनॉमिक साइंसेस इन मेमोरी ऑफ एल्फ्रेड नोबेल. Sveriges Riksbank Prize in Economic Science in memory of Alfred Nobel. It was established by Sveriges Riksbank जे कि स्वीडन रा सेंट्रल बैंक रुथिले. And Alfred Nobel was a Swedish chemist, engineer and industrialist, most famously known for the invention of dynamite. We know the dynamite, the destructive element which is used at different places. ओके सो डायनामाइट इन्वेंशन कि आम जानी छे. ही वाज अ स्वीडिश केमिस्ट, इंजीनियर, स्वीडन रु थिले एंड इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट इंजीनियर भी थिले एवं तांको इन्वेंशन डायनामाइट जना जाए. एंड द फर्स्ट नोबेल प्राइज वाज गिवन इन ऑन 10th of December 1901 1901 मसीह प्रथम नोबेल प्राइज दिया जाइतला. ये तो है सम ऑफ द फैक्ट्स अबाउट नोबेल प्राइज. आम एबे आसीबा हम ओरिजिनल क्वेश्चन को कि ये जो केमिस्ट्री रे कैरोलिन बेटोजी मॉर्टल मेडल एवं बेरी सार्प्लेस को स्निपिंग मॉलिक्यूल ऊपर रिसर्च पई तांको मिलिथिला ए वर्षर नोबेल प्राइज मिलिछि. एमानक मध्यरु किए प्रीवियसली नोबेल प्राइज जीति सारिछन्ती केमिस्ट्री 2001 रे. द करेक्ट आंसर इज कैरोलिन वर्टोजी. Among these three, Caroline Bertozzi has won the Nobel Prize earlier before, and he is the fifth person to win 2 Nobel Prizes. एबे आसीबा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की. हमको 3टा स्टेटमेंट दिया जाइछि and this is regarding a recent event or a recent आमे कहि परिबा achievement of the this is an achievement of the world, we can say also. So an international first statement, what is the first statement? An international team of researchers, this is an international team of researchers that has found that new evidences for the possible existence of liquid water beneath the साउथ पोलर आइस कैप ऑफ मार्स. जी सिमिलरली आम जमी देखीचे अर्थ रे नॉर्थ एंड साउथ पोल अच्छी, सिमिलरली मार्स रे भी north and south pole achi, and that Mars temperature is also less than the temperature of the Earth's north and south pole. तो गोटे इंटरनेशनल टीम ऑफ रिसर्चर्स से नुआ एविडेंस पाई फॉर द पॉसिबल एक्जिस्टेंस ऑफ लिक्विड वाटर बीनीथ द साउथ पोलर आइस कैप ऑफ मार्स. The results were published in the journal Nature Astronomy. सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट होची कि ए रिसर्च रिजल्ट्स जो नेचर एस्ट्रोनॉमी करके गोटे जर्नल अच्छी तादेह पब्लिश करागला. द रिसर्चर्स लेड बाय द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कैम्ब्रिज विथ द इन्वॉल्वमेंट फ्रॉम द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ सैफील्ड used a spacecraft laser altimeter measurements to identify subtle patterns in its heights. So we have to say which of these above statements are correct or wrong. So international team je ki team of researchers found a new evidence that the possible existence of liquid water beneath the south polar ice cap of Mars. So this is correct. The first statement is correct. Moving to the next question, next statement is results were published in the journal Nature Astronomy. This is also correct. The third statement, the researchers led by the University of Cambridge, researchers led by the University of Cambridge with the involvement from the University of Sahil, use spacecraft laser altimeter measurements to identify subtle patterns in its height. So all these three statements are correct. Like Earth, Mars has a thick water ice caps at both the poles, roughly equivalent in combined volume to the Greenland ice sheet. Greenland जो रही country तार ice sheet equivalent ice रही दी pole रे. The polar ice caps on Mars have until recently been thought to be frozen solid due to the cold Martian climate. So the European Space Agency's Mars Express satellite, जेमती नासा रही इंडिया इसरो रही सेमती यूरोपियन स्पेस एजेंसी भी अच्छी. सो यूरोपियन स्पेस एजेंसी मार्स एक्सप्रेस सैटेलाइट हैज एन आइस पेनिट्रेटिंग रेडार जार ना होची मार्सिस, जे कि मार्स रो सदर्न आइस कैप को देखि परिबो, व्हिच कैन सी थ्रू, एटा को भेद करी देखि परिबो. एंड यूजिंग दिस टेक्नोलॉजीज द इंटरनेशनल टीम हैज फाउंड दैट there is a possible chance of presence of water beneath the ice caps of south pole of Mars. So this is basically the question, and with this question I conclude the today's session. Just before ending, I want to announce Pratitih has a monthly magazine also, which is being published in PDF format, compiled by professionals from all the leading newspapers. It will help you to read the news on the go and stay up to date for any competitive examination. It has some subscription fee you can choose as per convenient. To subscribe this, you have to visit our website, that is www.warriorscred.in. And those who are aspiring to join defense forces, they have to clear certain examinations such as NDA, CDA, SAFCAT, CPF, INET, Army, SSCGD, Navy, Air Force. All these examinations you have to clear if you want to join Indian military or paramilitary. So but to clear this examination, this is not easy, and here Warriors Grid will help you. At Warriors Grid, we will provide you with educators, instructors, mentors. They will guide you in your preparation. Some of them are defense personnel also, and they will mentor you, guide you, and you will be easily able to achieve your goal of joining Indian military or paramilitary. So to join us, you have to call on the number given below, that is 9903429583 or 9903459583, or you may just visit our website, that is www.warriorscred.in. So with this I conclude today's session. We will meet tomorrow. Till then, do like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Jai Hind.